let's wind down, sir. INEC, is that organization as integral, central to everything? Is it redeemable?
Since we're out of time, can I just give you an answer in summary? Yes. Professor Amuteku. Professor Amuteku, I'm telling you now, he will not declare a president by 4 a.m. He will not be allowed to. Professor Amuteku, he will not announce the fake or wrong result, and he will not breach the Nigerian constitution. Okay, his name is Amupitan. Okay, Amupitan, all right. Joseph. Okay. We have learned enough from the 4 a.m. INEC chairman, the 4 a.m. What I know is every right-thinking public servant, Nigerian public servants are decent people. They listen to news after dinner, and they retire. Wake up early in the morning, say their prayers, get ready and go to work. This Nigerian public servant denied himself sleep because there were certain deals. And he went, sneaked 4 a.m. Mandela's younger brother and other African leaders were waiting to see justice done. And he disappointed. And we Nigerians are still keeping quiet and allowing this 4 a.m. government to continue. You know what I said? I like those people you're talking about. I like Tinubu's people, though. You know why? I like what they did. 1993, the result wasn't even announced. Yes. As I speak to you today, there is no June 12th result. You can't show it
that we have officially. It's not been declassified yet. Yes.
What did they do? That's why I like them. Now you have Moshood Abiola Stadium. What you call Democracy Day is 12th of June. Yes. One of June 12 people is president because they didn't let go. Why was I not so happy with Peter Obi? To the extent I said, take Kwankwaso or El-Rufai and go. Because I was not happy with him. How can you let go?
So you support Kenneth Okonkwo on this?
I hardly know what Kenneth Okonkwo is up to. I hardly know.
It's more or less the same thing.
Listen, I like the people who protect their rights. And you must give it to Tinubu's people. They defended their rights for how many years? 33 years now. But in defending their rights, they have also transgressed the rights of the Nigerians and others and others and others. I want you to understand me properly in context. Peter Obi threw it away. His people let it go. Up to now, I'm the only person still talking about constitutional breach. Imagine June 12 people, you breach their constitution. Nobody in the Western Hemisphere will sleep. Breach a punctuation, or not the constitution, a punctuation. They will chase you, and you must, be it 30 years, 33 years, they will get it back. And I like people like that, but I don't like it when they are the ones doing injustice. I don't like using the words. I don't like call it. We're online.
Pro-democracy activists.
I call it Tinubu people. The bottom line is he who will protect his right and fight for it is never the same as he who will let go. Democracy is for people who have earned their rights and liberties. Democracy is for the people who will extract its dividends. Democracy is not for those who will sit down and see the constitution breached.
Final question, sir. Now we have assessed a few of the leading presidential candidates who are going to square off against President Tinubu. Have you seen any scenario where any of these are able to, whether it's Donald Duke, Atiku, or Obi, are they able to defeat President Tinubu in a free, fair election?
Thank you. In a free, fair election, Donald Duke is the winner.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Not to Peter Obi. Are you serious?
I'm serious. In a free and fair election in Nigeria, Donald Duke is the winner.
Are you serious, sir?
Yes. Wow. I am serious.
Because it's your party.
Can I tell you
yes.
something? I'm not a soothsayer, nowhere close to a prophet. I'm not those kind of people who say, I didn't dream. I'm telling you this. April 1998, and I have witnesses, I predicted Baba-Ahmed will be president while he was in prison.
Oh, really?
I swear.
Oh,
Almighty God.
before
April 1998, Baba-Ahmed was in prison, and I have witnesses that I said he would be president, and he became president. I have predicted 2 speakers, and they became speakers. Now, what I'm telling you is not prediction. I'm not a prophet, nothing close to that. But in a free and fair election in Nigeria, you said free and fair first. You will not find Tinubu in the first 3. And Donald Duke is likely to be the winner. Now, because I'm a Muslim and I believe in God Almighty and his powers, he makes leaders, he gives power to whom he wills, how he wills, when he wills. So I'm not encroaching into God's powers. But as a human being, ordinary Nigerian now, I'm telling you, Donald Duke contests Nigerian presidency in 2027. Do the right things. He is easily the next president.
the PRP does not even have any structures.
It doesn't matter.
Oh, really?
It doesn't matter. Is that not how they said Peter Obi didn't have structure, he doesn't give shishi?
Yes.
And what happened? Before they knew, we defeated them in Lagos. Huh? Is that not how they said? They saw Peter Obi's storm coming. I think they may not see Donald Duke's one coming. Yeah. Irrespective of all the... Look, Nigeria's budget in the last 3 years, build up to the next 4 years, could all be deployed into 2027 elections. There is a point beyond which the money that you give does not work, because somebody you have never given 1 million naira to has been downtrodden, has been misruled, and you come and out of desperation give them 10 million. That person will say, yeah, so it can be 100 million. They will the first thing, they'll take that and keep. No, sorry, it has to be 100. They will find their budget spiraling out of control. And then the script has been played too many times. Where they go to get the results sheets, EC8. The sources are known by now.
Oh, really?
Of course. And the people, the boys in black, who get it and come in and pass it to those, and to start announcing and writing, irrespective of all those things are known. But what is even more important and more instructive, maybe by now Nigerian candidates, presidential candidates, have realized the futility of legal challenges. Maybe Nigeria has not reached that level where a court will ever say that a sitting government did not win. It will not happen. Now, if Nigerian presidential candidates realize it is impossible for the courts to remove, irrespective of the evidence, bring in any evidence, whatever evidence, I'm saying it all. Elections did not hold in the whole country, and INEC has announced a winner. The courts, it doesn't matter.
Really?
We have the power. We have said he is the president. What can you do? Go to court. After that, this is the final court. We have announced him as president. What can you do? Finish. So whatever evidence you produce to the courts, maybe judgments will be written and given to them to read. Nigerian candidates have realized it, so who will go to court again? Futility is madness. The sources are known, the processes are known, the procedures, the individuals are known. Amutekun, right? Amupiton. Joseph. Good. All right, Josh. If he thinks he will come and play the script of Yakobu, he should wake up again.